In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Social Security account online. Full guide. To get started, open your browser and go to the official My Social Security page on the SSA website. This is the secure place where you can begin creating your online account. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Create an account with login.gov and click on it. This will take you to the sign-up system used to securely access your Social Security account. If you're a new user, choose the option to create an account. From there, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type your email carefully since this is where login.gov will send a confirmation message and future account-related notifications. You'll usually enter the same email into the form and then select your email language preference so communication is sent in the language you prefer. Next, review the login.gov rules of use. Once you've read through them, check the box to confirm that you accept the terms. After that, click Submit to move forward. At this point, login.gov will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Now go to your inbox and look for the verification email. Open it and confirm your email address by clicking the link inside. If you don't see the message right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well. After you confirm, you'll be taken back to the account setup process. The next step is creating your password. You'll see a message confirming that your email address has been verified, and then you can set a strong password for your new account. Make sure your password is at least 12 characters long. Also, avoid common phrases, simple patterns, or repeated characters because those are easier to guess and less secure. A longer password with a mix of memorable words can be a smart option as long as it's unique. Enter your password in the password field, then type it again in the confirmation field to make sure there are no mistakes. Take a moment here and double check what you entered because an incorrect confirmation can prevent you from continuing. Once both password fields match, click Continue. That completes this part of the account creation process and sets up the secure login credentials for your Social Security online account. As a final tip, make sure you store your login information somewhere safe so you can access your account easily later. Using the official SSA and login.gov pages is important for security, so always confirm that you're on the correct website before entering any information.